Vegas Love Bug playing Phoenix Link. General TSO, General Stoll. And I'm gonna do the nickels. I got $45 from my last cash out. And I'm gonna do, oh my God, $2.50 bet. I'll do that for a while, then I'll go to 25 lines. See if anything happens here. So far, nothing is happening fast. Oh. Well, I'm going to 25 lines. So it's a $1.25 bet. Let's see if the general does anything. I noticed when Vegas Matt plays this, they hardly ever hit anything on it. They get 5 a lot, just like that. I wish I could get something. 5 again. Come on. Well, I wish something good would happen here. How are you doing this morning? If I could just get the 3 flags or the 6 eagle balls, that would be good. What do you do, Belch? Okay. I guess he belches. Weird. So far, nothing. And more of nothing. I wish that would have turned into something, but it is nothing. And it looks like the last spin coming up. That's it. I give up. I'm gonna press the Phoenix. And I got nothing. Well, Vegas Love Bug is signing off from the mostly empty Prim Valley Resort, and there's nothing to drink, no nothing. I'm thirsty. I'm gonna go next door to Buffalo Bills. Buffalo Bills coming up next. Have a good morning, and I'll see you at Buffalo Bills in the next video. Vegas Love Bug signing off. Please watch more of my videos. I need more watching hours from the public. Thank you so much. Vegas Love Bug signing off.